Y'all see where I'm at. Y'all see where I'm at. So the way I'm doing this video, I pray, bruh, the way I'm doing this video, the car probably gonna be dang near 90% complete. So yeah, what's going on, man? Y'all see I'm back with another video. So look, check this. Y'all see where I'm at, so y'all know what's going on. So I know from the last video, I don't know what I posted. Oh, my shorts. So I posted the shorts, you know, looking at LS's and stuff like that, right? So check this. This time, I'm gonna be posting. They doing the most. Oh. So this time, your partner gonna be posting because I'm getting parts for my LS, bro. So when y'all see this, the car should be 90% done. And when I drop this video, I think I at least be starting up my car. That would be the goal. But this might be the motor that we're going to be taking some parts off of. Let's see. That is a 5.3, y'all. And I'm probably going to be taking this valve cover off and keeping that. I'm doing a real live budget build, y'all. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff going on. I was finna sell the car, y'all, because I didn't know if God wanted me to sell the car or not, or keep it, however the case is, whatever the case may be. So when y'all see this, 9 times out of 10 the car will be running, because what I'm doing is putting I'm doing a manual transmission, and them are hard to come by. So when I post this video, that means the car will already be running, and I'm gonna just be dropping. I probably drop the videos like every 3 days to catch y'all up on everything. So I actually only have a little bit more stuff left to do as far as when y'all see this video. But as of now, I already ordered some of my parts. I'm gonna be dropping the engine next week, actually. So I'll be dropping the engine next week, and then if everything go good for next week, I'm gonna be starting the engine when I drop it. You get what I'm saying? So hey, hey y'all, it's been a long way coming, bro. God is good. I did not build this motor. I'm gonna have to go on and say that. I tried to make as much money as I can to build it. Nothing was coming up. So when y'all see this, God hand is all on it, bro. Like, now this stuff is happening effortlessly. So y'all please tune in. Gonna take the parts out and we're gonna go from there. Yeah, V. Okay, so I ain't made a video in so long, y'all. This feels mad awkward though. But I guess I can kind of, y'all can see me. Hope they don't fall. It's been a minute. I've been, man, look, I'm gonna have to do like a story time with y'all, bro. For, you know, for my day, especially my day ones, cause like a lot of y'all follow me because my shorts, the shorts do be booming too. Y'all follow me because of my shorts. But bro, for the people that's already followed, 1 second. Bro, they're mad awkward. Like, I don't even know how to talk no more. It's been that long. Mad awkward. But for the people that just not following me, y'all, I'm building a boosted LS. That boy going for 1,000 wild horsepower. So I'm building a boosted LS. I was going back and forth on what I wanted to do for boost, but finally I got it. I got my numbers right and everything on what I want to do and how I'm gonna do it. So I already know what I'm going for, a boosted application. I done switched it up a jillion times, you feel me? So let me make sure. Oh nigga, I forgot it with these. Man, hold up. I might still buy these. Oh, these look good. Bro, I'm real like doing the budget build, you feel me? So I'm trying to go the cheapest route, you feel me? These look amazing. So now I'm gonna have to scrap up like 2 of them from somewhere. These, I forgot about these. Well, you know, God gonna make it work, but I'm finna get these though. I know that. But yeah, I'm building a boosted LS. It's an 83 Camaro for the people that just not following me. Just a short background, y'all. This is like the 3rd year. Is this collapsed? Oh, this bad boy collapsed. Oh no. Good. It's a lot more money I don't have to spend. Yeah, it is. Motor must have locked up. But yeah, I've been building this for like three years because my finances weren't financing it, and end up giving my life to God, y'all, and whew, all hell broke loose. You hear? I got a whole podcast about that testimony, so if y'all want to follow that page, I'll put the link in my description to follow that. But yeah, long story short, man, I was going back and forth as far as I'm gonna sell it, I'm gonna keep it, and I've been moving a lot. Oh yeah, a lot of these are collapsed. I don't even know if I want to check the other side or not. I got some new lifters at the house. What are they? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm probably gonna run that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna run that. But I know I keep going back and forth, my bad. So with that being said, I was just going back and forth, y'all. I didn't know if I should sell it or I should keep it. I didn't know what was God's will for my life as far as building this car. So yeah, I was finna sell it, man, the motor and everything. And as y'all see, we're gonna wait. Alright, so as y'all see, I'm dropping the video, so that means that thing being built. Yeah, you did it right. The leg of the split, yeah. But nah, man, I'm real happy, man. Like, God brought all the desires back, man, as far as me building this car and, you know, desire for other things too. So I'm very excited. Like I said, when I dropped this video, 9 times out of 10, if this video drop, because I'm not gonna drop it if everything ain't gonna go through. I can't do that. You did. So when y'all see this post, y'all see this video, that means the car's running. I ain't gonna have no transmission yet, probably, but I don't know yet. You feel me? So, but I know for a fact the motor's gonna be in, it's gonna be built already, and it's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be firing up already. You know what I'm saying? So that is the plan, that is the goal. But for my day ones, I really appreciate y'all bearing with me and being patient while I build this car. And it's really right now it's gonna be my daily until I buy like my until I buy a true daily, because it's being built to drift in. Like, it's really my drift race car. Like, it's a street car basically, but it's gonna have it's gonna have that one XXX, you know what I'm saying, power wise. That's the goal anyways. But yeah, man, I appreciate the day one. Gotta get that. But yeah, I appreciate my day ones, like, staying patient with me. You feel me? Because, bro, life dead for real kicked in on me, man. I ain't gonna hold you. And it's looking up now, and I thank God for that. I thank God I'm even able to have the funds to even start on it. So for some people, they've been asking about, like, I had a truck and I had a Camaro. So the Camaro actually wrecked. If y'all seen my last video, I had a 4th gen 99 Camaro. That one wrecked. I was gonna buy it back, prayed on it. I wasn't supposed to get it back. So I had a truck build too. It was a 72 Dodge D100. I had to sell that because I had, you know what I'm saying, I had some stuff to come up and I needed the cash right then and there, you feel me? So I had to sell that. But me and the guy I sold it to, we still in contact, so I have his number. So I told him, hey, if you ever get rid of it, bro, I'm the first, you feel me? So yeah, man, life looking up, y'all. And we should be back on track, full-fledged, running and jumping, you feel me? So I'm gonna have to pause this so I can get the other stuff, because it's hard. Hold on.